Right everyone, today we are going to install the brand new Windows Server 2012. It's the first OS from Microsoft directed to the so-called cloud infrastructure. As you can see, since the beginning you already know the brand new visual language from Microsoft using tiles. You should expect to see more of this across all the Microsoft products being released this year. Up to here, there's nothing new as usual. You still start the installation choosing the language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Click Next, and then Install Now. Type in your serial key number, and then choose from the following options: Standard Core and GUI. The core installation will deliver the bare minimum installation, where the administration will be done primarily via scripts and command prompt. That's a very lean deployment. The GUI is the typical Windows installation. It has all the graphical interfaces for management. Later you will notice that the interface is quite different from what you've seen so far up to the previous Windows servers. We are going to choose the GUI installation. Accept the license terms. Click Next. The next screen is becoming very familiar. It was introduced during Windows Vista and offers an option to upgrade the current installation or to perform a brand new one. For this scenario, we are going to choose to go a custom installation, which is the accepted for new environments. We click Next, and we will wait for the setup to do its magic. While the setup runs, let's have a little chat about this new product. The capability to run virtual environments and distribute processing power in the cloud is changing our way to plan and design environments. It is expected that Windows Server 2012 will change dramatically the way we manage our own servers. The first big thing we will see is a whole new plethora of resources of unattended deployments. Windows Server 2012 can run in both local environments such as your company server, your desktop, etc. Also called on-premise, but it also can be the system running in virtual machines in the cloud, where there are no physical isolated computers, where the processing power and the storage capacity are determined online. Quite honestly, this is a major step for Microsoft. However, we should expect to see all of you guys playing soon with this product. This new Windows will come with 4 editions: Data Center, Standard, Essentials, and Foundation. The Data Center version is designed for a private cloud environment. It costs about $4,800. It is sold by Processor plus Cow. The Standard version is designed for on-premises or small virtualized environments. It goes up to 2 virtual instances. It costs about $882, which is sold by Processor plus Cow. The Essentials version is targeting small companies up to 25 users and 50 devices. There are no virtualization for this version. The price is around $400, and the price is by server. For last, the Foundation version is targeting places up to 15 users. It offers no virtualization and is not for sale. You can only get this product by buying servers pre-installed on it. The Enterprise editions, as you can see, they do not exist anymore. The same fate happened to the Windows Home Server. Both versions are gone. What Microsoft wanted to do with this was to make it simpler for the customers to choose from. According to the market specialists, these changes are good for 99.5% of the customers. and it is more aligned with another winner product, System Center 2012 Server Manager. Just a little bit more, we are almost there. We are just finishing up the installation now, updating, and we are going for our first restart. Excellent. Now we have our own Windows Server 2012 done. First impressions. Number 1, it was a very streamlined install experience. No need to deal with complicated options. As a matter of fact, the whole installation had only 2 steps. Number 2, it was very quick. The whole installation process was very fast. It took less than, let's say, 15 minutes, I would say so. And number 3, the new Windows 8 Metro UI / Modern UI, however you wanna call it, look and feel was slowly being introduced to you during the whole installation process. And at this stage, we are absolutely comfortable with the visual language. As you can see, the administrator is still the first user. Talking about visual language, note that as I type the password, you can see a visualizer icon at the end of the text box. When we click on it, it will reveal the content we typed. That's a new feature for all the Windows products. You also expect to see this across Windows 8 and everything else. In the bottom left corner, you'll see this icon which contains some special functions, narrator, magnifier, etc. All these options we saw from previous Windows versions, but note the on-screen keyboard. This is aligned with the new Microsoft strategy to deliver the system to PCs, tablets, and hybrids. This virtual keyboard offers full fidelity of your current desktop keyboard. We'll click Finish, and then we are presented with the welcome screen for Windows Server 2012. Exactly just like the Windows 8 screen, except for the colorful background. After all, this is a server product. Note that the login screen is similar to the Windows 8 version. Let's enter the wrong password here so you can see how this system behaves. Now let's put the right one. That was very fast. And this is the Windows Server 2012 desktop. It goes straight to the Server Manager. Note that the Server Manager is also much more condensed, focused, friendly, and less cluttered. Tells you using the color language what's wrong and what is okay in your system. Red means something needs to be done, green means something is okay, and orange means these are warning signs, things that might need some adjustments in your system. Next, we'll discuss a bit more about the environment capabilities of this new product.